How to turn on your Snapchat location. So if you want to turn on your location for Snapchat, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have opened up my Snapchat and I have already logged into my account. Once you are here, you will be able to see the various options at the right hand side and also at the bottom corner. At the left bottom corner there is a map option. Simply tap over there as a first step. And after tapping over there, you will be able to see your own location and also your location of your friends. From over here, you have to tap on the settings option at the right upper corner. So here you can see there's a ghost mode which is right now toggled on. So this means the location has been turned off, because when the ghost mode is enabled, your friends won't be able to see your location, which means the location has been turned off. So in order to turn it on, you just have to toggle it off. And you can see the three options at the bottom of the ghost mode, which is my friends, my friend accept, and only these friends, which means you can select to whom you want to show your location. You can set it to my friends only, or you can also go for my friends accept, and you can select the person to whom you want to share your location in this section, and you can also go for that. And finally, after doing that, you'll be able to turn on your location on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.